Hi, my name is Gretchen Kother, and I'm here with Louise Hudson. We're with the Lee County FRW, and today we're visiting with Mr. Ned Fuller. He's a Supreme Court Justice candidate. So welcome, we're happy to have you today.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here. I really appreciate you doing this.
Well, my question for you today is could you tell us exactly what a Supreme Court justice does?
Sure. So in New Mexico, we have the court system is such that we have trial level judges, which often you hear of district court, and then we have the Court of Appeals. Court of Appeals handles all appeals that come to it. And then we have the Supreme Court. The New Mexico Supreme Court is 5 justices, and those justices can pick and choose the cases that they'll hear. And the Supreme Court in New Mexico really has 2 functions. One is to hear and resolve cases and be kind of the final authority on what the state of the law is. And the second is the administrative role. So they oversee all of the other courts. And for example, you've maybe heard about pretrial detention rules. Those come from the New Mexico Supreme Court. The rules of civil procedure, the rules of criminal procedure, jury instructions, all of those kinds of things, administration of disciplinary action, that all comes through the New Mexico Supreme Court. So there's quite a bit of administrative things that they're involved in. When it comes to the opinions, we rule on the cases that come before us. And when I say the sort of the final word, really the final word is the people through their representatives. But when there are disputes, the last place of appeal, unless it's a federal issue, would be the New Mexico Supreme Court. So very important court, very important to have judges who will uphold the Constitution and the rule of law, and which is why I'm running.
So there's 5 justices, you said?
Yes, ma'am. There's 5 justices on the Supreme Court, and currently there are 2 positions that have about 2 years ago were filled by Governor Grisham. And so whenever that happens, then they have to run in a contested election, the next general election, which is coming up here in November.
Okay.
So myself and Carrie Morris are running for those positions.
Well, thank you. That's been very informative. We appreciate that.
Thank you. Yeah.